Welcome to the Board of Ethics Financial Disclosure Site Account Creation Demonstration. During this tutorial video, you will learn how to create an account on the Board of Ethics Financial Disclosure Site. You will then use this account to file financial disclosure statements. The first step is to go to the Ethics Board's website. Type ethics.baltimorecity.gov into your address bar. Press Enter. You should then see the Ethics Board's website. From here, press the large yellow circle on the home page that says File a Financial Disclosure Statement. After pressing the yellow circle, you should see the Financial Disclosure page. This page includes useful information, such as frequently asked questions and instructions for the financial disclosure form. You should see large text that says Online Financial Disclosure Filing Site. Press the text to open the Board of Ethics Financial Disclosure Filing Site. You will use this site to file financial disclosure statements. To create a new account, press Sign In or Register at the bottom of the page. Your screen should now look like this. On the right, you will be able to sign into your account after creating it. On the left, you will see three options: register as an elected official or candidate for an elected position, register as a viewer to only view financial disclosure statements, or register as an employee or an official. I'm going to register as an employee. However, make sure that you press the link that applies to you. You should now see the registration page. Complete all the fields with your information. I'm going to complete the form with you. Enter your first name, your middle name if you have one, and your last name. Here you will enter your home address, the city, the state, and your zip code. Where it says telephone, you will enter your personal number. Where it says email address, this will be the email address associated with your account. You will then create a password. You should then confirm your password and retype it. Below, you will complete the employee official information. This includes your position with Baltimore City, your agency or board or commission, your office, board, or commission's phone number, the address of your office, the city, state, and zip code. Then press Submit Registration. Congratulations! You have created an account on the Board of Ethics Financial Disclosure Site. You now need to verify your account. Log into your email and open the message from noreply@baltimorecity.gov. In the email, press the verification link to verify your account. Great, your account has been verified. Click to log into your account. Type the email associated with your account and your password. Then press Log In. After signing into your account, there's a lot you can do. If you press Financial Disclosure Instructions, that will take you to the Ethics Board's website to review the instructions for the form. On the main menu, you can complete and submit a financial disclosure form, review your previously submitted statements, see who has viewed your financial disclosure statements, change your password, update your registration or profile information, and search for others' financial disclosure statements. If you're ready to complete a statement, press Financial Disclosure Form or Get Started. And as always, do not hesitate to contact the Ethics Board with any questions. Now it's time to complete your financial disclosure statement. Watch other tutorial videos on the Ethics Board's YouTube channel to help you as you complete your form.